Hello everyone. Welcome to Chapter 3, Section 3.1 of Chemistry, an Introduction to Inorganic Chemistry. Today we're going to talk about our elements and symbols in this section. Elements are pure substances that cannot be separated into simpler substances by ordinary means. They are the building blocks of matter, and you'll find those on the inside cover of your textbook. Names from some of the elements come from different places depending on when they were discovered. Planets, mythological creatures like titanium from Titans, colors, some locations, and even some famous people. Curium, for example, after Marie and Pierre Curie. So there are lots of ways that these were named, and it's up to whoever really discovers them that they can choose that. Chemical symbols represent these elements, and so this is how you normally see them. We don't write out the names typically if we can help it, and so they will either have a one-letter or a two-letter symbol. Okay, so if you have the one-letter symbols, you see like carbon, nitrogen, fluorine, oxygen. Two-letter symbols are when they also start with a C, for example. You've already got C for carbon, so you have CO for cobalt, Ca for calcium, Al for aluminum, etc. Silver, some of these names are very odd. For example, silver and gold are used as examples here. They don't really have any relation to anything that we understand, but argentum was the Latin name for silver, and aurum was the Latin name for gold, and so that's why they have these kind of odd, seemingly to us, symbols. So learning check for these common chemicals. What is the symbol for each of these? Iodine, iron, magnesium, zinc, and nitrogen. And you can look at the inside cover of your book for help with this, or if you think you know them, you can try them. The only one that's really kind of strange is going to be the iron. So put it on pause, see if you can do them. If you need to look them up, you can. Okay, let's see how you did. Iodine is pretty easy. It's just the letter I. Iron, I told you it might be a little odd. It's Fe for ferrous. We use that in some terminology. Magnesium is Mg. Zinc is Zn, and nitrogen is N. So you also need to be able to go the other way with some of these more simple symbols. P, Al, Mn, H, and K. See if you can do these. P is for phosphorus. Al is aluminum. Mn is manganese. Remember, Mg was magnesium, so Mn is manganese. H is hydrogen, and K, another odd one, is potassium. So that's the end of this section. It was pretty short. It's just basically looking at the periodic table and identifying the various forms of the elements and how we write their symbols. This was short, so you probably feel like going on and looking at section 3.2.